Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install a website as a progressive web app in the new Microsoft Edge Chromium browser. So this tutorial will not apply for the traditional Microsoft Edge, at least at this time. However, this applies if you're using the beta or developer version of Microsoft Edge. So if you got it directly from Microsoft, it looks kind of like Microsoft Edge, but it's not. So it's the developer or Canary version of Microsoft Edge, the new beta they've been working on since the end of last year, or at least was publicly released last year. So I want to show you guys how to actually enable that for a specific website. So without getting too complicated about progressive web applications, generally speaking, this allows for greater integration with websites such as push notifications, the ability to access and work a little bit offline, as well as creating a more native experience that you would have with applications on your Windows computer instead of just having a normal website, so it's a little more integrated into your computer. So just kind of making it a simplified version of what the definition of it is. You guys are welcome to do more research on it on your own as well. But anyway, so let's just keep it very simple for this tutorial. Let's say we want to make this specific website. So I'm very original, so I'm just going to do google.com, and let's say we want to make that a progressive web application on our computer. So all we're going to do is select the menu icon near the top right corner of the Microsoft Edge window, and then you want to select apps. Please note if you're using Microsoft Edge, like I already stated, just a general publicly released built-in Microsoft Edge, you're not going to see this apps option, so just keep that in mind. So once you see it says apps, you want to now select the option where it says install this site as an app. It should say Google or whatever website. You can name it whatever you want as well, so you can delete it, type in whatever you want. I'm going to type it in as Google and then select install. And there you go, guys. Now it's acting as an app on our computer. And now that it's an actual app on our computer, now it has its own options. So if you select the more icon up here, you can copy the URL as well as open in Microsoft Edge. You can uninstall the app, quote unquote, because it is an app now, as well as casting it to a device. So it gives you a lot of cool different options in there. So it's definitely cool. If you close out of here as well, you see now we still have a taskbar icon for this app. So it is basically an app now on our Windows 10 computer. So definitely pretty neat, guys. I gotta admit, I think it's cool. And you know, there's definitely different applications for it. We'll see how it goes. It's still in the early development stages, you know, how I see it today, but you know, we'll see what it becomes down the road. So I do hope that this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.